Hey everyone, it's Mark Skipper Mark, and today we are at the Heskey Park boat ramp on Lake Winnipesaukee in the town of Meredith, New Hampshire. This ramp is the hardest of any on the lake and probably the worst ramp I've seen anywhere. First up is a bright red Chevy and the center console Key West. He had to make a couple swings, but he got it. And that's the way this is. You just almost can never get it in the first shot. And then you get someone like this that gets it in one try. It kind of seems to be an SUV thing. Maybe they're a shorter wheelbase or they turn tighter, but they don't seem to struggle as much as a pickup truck. This guy, though, I'm not so sure about. This is a pretty big trailer and a big truck. You also have to be careful when backing up because there's people always walking behind you. He actually did really well for having such a big truck and trailer. This is a really nice mastercraft. Again, an SUV got it in the first try. It's got to be the short wheelbase or the turning radius or something. Looks like he's letting the daughters handle the boat all alone on this one. Looks like he might need to go in just a little further with the trailer. Maybe they just got their boating certificates or it's their first solo launch. I think it's great when parents teach their kids stuff like this. I wanted to teach Matt how to ride the jet skis, but he actually had to show me what to do. And that's all I've got for today. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.